Welcome to Restro POS. To access this feature, click on the Payments section from the sidebar and then open the Expenses category tab. Use the search bar to quickly locate any category. To add a new category, click on Add Expense. You can also add a description to clarify what this category includes. Once done, click Save. After saving, your category will appear in the list. You can click Update anytime to edit the name or description. And that's how simple it is to set up and manage your expense categories in Restro POS.